Another one, here we go. We do notice that we have the x on the right-hand side. So at the bottom of our work, x will be on the right-hand side and our value for the variable will be on the left. So the value goes there. So here we go. Same basic strategy. What's being done to the variable? It's being multiplied by 2.2 and it's being added by 3. So we're going to undo the plus 3 with a minus 3 to both sides. Looks like this. Here we go. Minus 3 and minus 3. From left to right, we got 11.8 minus 3. So we can kind of, when we do this subtraction here, ignore the 0.8. Just do 11 minus 3 is 8. And then we still have the 0.8 there. And then 2.2x plus 0 is just 2.2x. Now we're going to undo the multiplication of 2.2 with a divide by 2.2 to both sides. Don't get too freaked out with the decimals here. It's really not that big of a deal. Just in your brain, think 88 divided by 22. Or 2 goes into 8 4 times. That's another way of thinking about it there. It's just going to make 4. You can use a calculator if you have to. And then 2.2 over 2.2 is just 1x. There we go. So 4 equals x. So 4 is a value for the variable that makes the equation true.